Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should tap here to this edit one. And you will see here this down section with all of the invisible options. If you want to add some options from here, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. To remove some of them from here, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. Also, if you want to just change the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. To reset the changes, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset, and to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.